Imagine spending 10 hours perfecting your resume only for an AI bot to reject it in 6 seconds. Worse, recruiters are now saying most resumes looks identical. Why? Because everybody is using AI, and this is creating a terrifying new reality. Your resume may no longer matter in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are a student, software engineer, job seeker, or someone planning to switch job in 2026, you need to watch this video till the end because hiring is changing faster than most people realize. The old game was make a good resume, add keywords, make it ATS friendly, apply everywhere. But now companies are saying we don't trust resumes anymore, and honestly, they might have a point. Think about this carefully. Today, anyone can open ChatGPT or Claude and generate a beautiful resume, perfect English, strong achievement, ATS optimized formatting, fancy project description. So what happened? Every resume started looking polished. Every candidate suddenly looks top tier. And recruiters are now overwhelmed with thousands of resumes that all sound the same. One hiring expert even called ATS system a CV dump, meaning companies are collecting resumes, filtering resumes, but not truly understanding candidates. Earlier, ATS optimization was considered a superpower. People made YouTube videos like top 10 ATS hack, how to beat ATS, best resume keywords, but now everyone knows those tricks. So recruiters started asking a dangerous question. If AI can write your resume, then what does your resume actually prove? Now companies are shifting towards something much harder to fake: assessments. And this is becoming massive in software job, tech hiring, finance, BFSI, marketing, senior leadership role, because companies now want proof, not claims. Anybody can write excellent problem solving skill, but can you solve problem live? Anybody can claim strong leadership, but can you handle pressure during simulation? That's what companies are testing now. For software developers, this change is huge because companies increasingly care less about fancy resume templates, buzzwords, certificates, and more about real coding ability, system design thinking, communication, problem solving under pressure. In fact, many companies now conduct online coding rounds, AI monitored assessment, live debugging, behavioral analysis, video interviews before human interview even happen. Some companies are even using AI to schedule interviews, analyze speech pattern, evaluate confidence, rank candidates automatically. This is no longer science fiction. It's already happening. And now there's another shocking trend: video resumes, especially in marketing, sales, content creation, influencer industry, client facing roles. Because companies realize something important: a written CV cannot show confidence, communication, energy, storytelling ability, presence, but a 60 seconds video can reveal all of that instantly. Here's the uncomfortable truth nobody wants to hear. In 2026, your degree alone is not enough. Your experience alone is not enough. And your resume alone is definitely not enough. The internet is now filled with AI generated resume, fake projects, copied portfolios, inflated achievements. So companies are becoming more skeptical than ever. So what should you focus on now? This is where the smart candidates will win. The future belongs to people who can show proof, meaning real project, public portfolio, GitHub activity, LinkedIn presence, communication skills, video content, personal brands, live demonstrations, problem solving ability. In simple words, hiring is moving from tell me what you know to show me what you can do. If you are serious about your career in 2026, start doing these things now. Build proof of work project, improve communication skill, practice live problem solving, create LinkedIn presence, learn storytelling, build credibility online, record mock interview videos, Stop depending only on resumes because the candidates who adapt early will dominate the next hiring era. So, no, the resume is not completely dead, but its power is collapsing. The resume is becoming just the entry ticket. Your real skill, your communication, your proof of work, and your online presence. That is what will decide your future. And honestly, most people are still not ready for this shift. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more brutal truth about AI, careers, software job, the future of work, and comment below. Do you think resume will completely disappear? See you in the next video.